Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Arctis one version you have and the exact port on your PC. Plug the headset into the proper port now. If it's USB, use a direct Type-A or an adapter, if 3.5 use the correct jack. Once done, make sure Windows recognizes a new audio device in the taskbar. You want a simple physical connection first because software changes rely on a stable hardware link, so don't proceed until the PC sees the headset. Next, you set Windows Audio to use the Arctis one. Open Sound Settings and pick the headset as both output and input. Once chosen, click Properties and adjust levels. Raise the mic boost slowly so you avoid clipping. Make sure the sample rate matches typical values like 48,000 Hz in advanced. This reduces hiss and sync problems. If you use apps like Discord or Steam, configure their audio to the headset too, because app-level overrides often break what Windows is set to. Finish by verifying driver status and testing audio. Go to Device Manager, update or reinstall the audio driver if Windows mislabels the device. Once done, play a simple test file and record your voice to confirm mic function. If audio is absent or distorted, try a different USB port or the 3.5 jack, run Windows Audio Troubleshooter, and then reboot. A single troubleshooting tip. Swap ports first. Many issues are solved by a different physical connection before deeper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.